To hide full screen notification when screen is off and Do Not Disturb is on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find notification. Tap notification and then tap Do Not Disturb. Tap hide notification. Under when the screen is off section, tap the gray on off sheet next to hide full screen notification until the switch turns blue to turn it on. By enabling this option, when Do Not Disturb is on, your phone will hide full screen notification when the screen is off. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.